Hello everyone, this video I'm going to walk you through how to change screen lock type on Samsung. First thing is click on settings from the app menu. So after clicking on the app menu, scroll down to screen lock, which is this one over here. Tap on it, and then you can see screen lock type at the top here. Tap on it. So you're going to put in your previous lock, other pattern, pin, or what you were using before for security. And once you've done that, you'll put the screen lock type. We have 4 screen lock type. We have swipe. Now if you use swipe, it means there's no security. All you use is anyone can open your phone, and it's easy to unlock your phone. So if you choose pattern, it gives you medium security, but you must always remember the pattern. So you're going to draw your pattern the first time, we confirm by drawing your pattern the second time, and that's it. Now if you want to use pattern, you can also decide to choose. Sorry, I'm going back. You can also decide to use pin, which is medium high security. Now you must always remember this pin, because if you forget it, you need to reset your phone and your data will be erased. Your pin must contain at least 4 digits. So let's say you put in the pin, then you can, after putting in your pin the first time, you confirm the pin, and then you can also turn on this option that says confirm pin without tapping OK. If you don't want to just turn it off. Now the next one we have is password. Now if you choose a password here, you don't use digits, you use digits and letters and every other thing you can. Your password will contain at least 4 characters, including at least 1 letter. So you type in your password, and once you've done that, tap on OK. We confirm your password again by tapping it again, and then you tap on OK. All done, and that's it. So those are the 4 options for screen lock type. Now the last thing we have under the screen lock type is anytime you go away apps using your password. So the last option we have on the screen lock type is none. Now you can decide to use none of the screen lock types if you want. Tapping on this to choose none. Now at the bottom here I have biometrics. Unfortunately the phone I'm using only uses face recognition for now. But under you should have face recognition, you should also have fingerprints. So just register either of them. So you can use that also to unlock your Samsung phone. You can also use that to unlock your Samsung phone. It all depends on you. So as you can see, I'm using mine. I use face under mine. So that is how to change screen lock type on Samsung.